You could create a canoe. We should create a bathtub or like a boat. We should create a boat out of Wedi and go paddling across Wascana Lake. That's for another episode. Hey, what's up? It's Brandon with NCC TV and welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about the installation of a custom tile Wedi shower system. So the Wedi product is a German-made product and it's specifically designed for custom tiled showers. This is a custom tiled steam shower that they originally hired a contractor to do, and unfortunately that contractor didn't necessarily know what he was doing. And so after spending tens of thousands of dollars with that other contractor, we're back in here spending it again. So one thing you can learn from hiring a contractor to do your custom tiled steam shower is to make sure they're well versed and well educated on how a steam shower should be put together. In this custom tiled steam shower, you've got the door placed right here, and then you've got all your controls right here. You can easily just open the door into the space and turn the valve on and not get all wet from the shower. Once you're inside the shower, you'll see that there's a control lever for the actual heat control and then also the shower control. And this is also where the steam generator control will also be placed. So you can access all of your controls just by opening the door and accessing all of your equipment. I believe that this makes the shower much more functional. You've got the shower head placed at a perfect height. You've got the steam generator placed so that it can drip and drain into the linear drain. And then you've also got your hand wand that's placed just right on the wall here where we've got our backing prepared. It's even labeled backing for hand wand. The product itself is a cement-backed foam material that is actually, it has some insulation properties as well. And it's also a very strong, rigid product. So you can see the rigidity that's inside of this product. We've got a small little strip that's about 1.5 inches, by 5 inches, and I can put some pretty good flex on there, and it takes a lot to get it to break. The unique thing with this product is that it's sealed together with this Wedi joint sealant. Now, this Wedi joint sealant I've used for more applications than just shower installations. You'll apply this Wedi joint sealant along the seams, butt two pieces together, you'll get some oozing coming through, and then you'll additionally put more Wedi sealant on that and seal that joint. So we've got our tile installers here today. They've already installed the shower base, and we've prepped that surface and increased the rigidity of the floor so that we could put the shower base on that. We've also installed a linear drain, and so this linear drain, you can actually put tiles inside, so it's a nice clean finished product. So we've got Joseph right now installing the Wedi tile backing board on the ceiling, and this product we're actually going to be installing on the ceiling, on the walls, on the floor. Joseph is going to be using a special screw applicator. I'm not really a hand model, but you can put it together. I'm a contractor. You can see these kind of ridges on here. This pokes right through into the material. So that'll screw right in. And then you'll put your screw through, which is a special screw that's made for Wedi. And that'll screw right through. So you got your screw pretty much holding itself. And then you'll screw through to your structure behind. And so after this is all sealed and screwed in, you're going to seal that with the Wedi caulking. So it's a watertight seal. Custom tile Wedi showers are very similar to shingles. You're going to want to start at the top and work your way down and creating layers so that the water will penetrate all the way back to the drain. Now this Wedi product is come a long way. It actually has several different options. When it originally came out, there was a membrane that you would coat on top of it for a steam shower, and now Wedi's actually introducing a Wedi panel that is specifically for steam showers. So this product is really versatile. I've actually also had the pleasure of removing it, and I can assure you it's not exciting at all. It doesn't come out. Joseph,
Yeah.
how long have you been tiling for?
I think almost 30 years.
30 years.
Yeah.
There you go. There isn't too many people that have that kind of experience specifically in one industry. And so we're dealing with an expert. As you can see, Joseph, our Hungarian tile master, has installed the Wedi clips in the ceiling surface. And you can see it's somewhat recessed, so that when he takes the Wedi joint sealant and he squirts that into this, he can smear that over top, and that will seal that screw head. And so he'll do that throughout all the screw heads and all of these joints. You can see this joint right here where Joseph has went to go cut this sheet. He's going to put some Wedi joint sealant on the top seam. He's going to butt that in and press that Wedi joint sealant into the space, creating a watertight seal. And then he's going to come back and he's going to caulk that again with Wedi joint sealant, which will create a 100% watertight seal. You know, showers have come a long way over the years. I remember doing my first custom tiled shower, and I know I screwed it up. I put a tile on drywall and I thought it was good. And a couple of years later, I had walls full of mold. So you learn from experience. That's part of being a contractor, is learning from your mistakes. And so what I've learned over the years is that YouTube is a great tool for you to go search and learn how to do these things. There was also actually a little bit of mold growth happening inside of the wall. And so we had to actually remove the wall, rebuild it, and then prepare the new shower. There was also other functions within the shower that weren't thought about, like the shower head and the valves and faucets. When the existing shower door would open, it would actually hit the rain head. And if you're going to be spending, you know, tens of thousands of dollars on a custom tiled shower, you want to do it right the first time to avoid any unnecessary additional costs. The best part about this Wedi material is that it's fairly forgiving, because you've got this incredible joint sealant that you can apply inside of your joints and cracks and over top of your screw holes. You've got the ability to fill any irregular surfaces with the Wedi joint sealant. It's always important to measure twice and cut once. I usually measure 6 times, because by the time I've measured after my first time, I've already forgotten what my first measurement was. So then I have to measure about 6 more times. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't be a contractor if I couldn't remember. Thank you for watching this video on a Wedi System installation. Make sure to go hit the bell button at the top, watch out for some more videos, and share this off to your friends. And the other nice part about this lot being kind of a semi-walkout is that that view just continues to elevate. You know, imagine sitting here out on your deck. You're going to be about 4 feet higher. You're going to have your deck protruding out past this spot.